Hi guys, welcome to Scripted Success Master. Today we will learn how to move completed tasks automatically in Google Sheets using Google Apps Script. So basically you don't need any Google Script knowledge. I will give you full detailed video how to do it and a free code where you have to just copy paste the code into the app script. It will run like a magic. So we'll move to the guiding video. Okay guys, so we will start by preparing a Google Sheet. So this is a common Google Sheet homepage where you just have to click on a blank spreadsheet. It will open a new spreadsheet for you. Let's put a name as a to-do list. To-do list, my name. Okay. Now let's rename this sheet as a task list. Okay. Now let's prepare the column headings. First will be always serial number. Another will be task description. Next will be start date, and next will be priority. This will be like P0, P1, P2, and accordingly. Then next is the status. Okay, let's build one sample task. Let's say I'm putting as a one, uh, creating a home page for my blog. Let's say I'm starting this today, and priority, let's say this is a P0. Status, so for a status, let's create a drop down. Right click on that box, click select a drop down. Now there will be options. First options would be not yet started. Another will be WIP. Third one will be completed. Let's color the status. Let's say not yet started will be red. WIP, let's make keep it as a gray. Completed, let's make it as a green. So let's say I have not started it. So let me rearrange the columns. I know there are better ways to rearrange, but just for a sake of time, I'm just keeping like this. Okay, I'm just closing this. Now let's say second task, creating a border or bottom title for blog. Let's say I'm starting this also today, but this is not a priority, so I'll put it as a P1. Status, I can drag this down by Control D, or just simply copy this and paste it here. Okay, now we'll make another sheet which will say completed tasks. So now see, anyways, what we have to do, we have to move whole row to the completed task whenever we change the drop down as a completed. So let's say as of now it will not move because we have not coded this. Let's keep it as a not yet started. So heading till column E will be the same, so I'll copy as it is. And now F column mein we have to add it as a completion date. Next will be tat. Tat will be turn around time, which is how many days you took to complete the task. So I'm put it as here task list. I'm going back to my screen. Now everyone just make a note, whenever you want to add a script into the Google Sheet, you have to go to the extension, go to app script. It will open a new page with the app script. So where you have to paste the code and it will run automatically. So app script name, let's say put as a to-do list automation. Heading you can put anything, no matter what. First of all, let's select this and delete this whatever it has a. Then just I'm going for my code where I'm releasing a blog also where you guys will get a direct code from here. So go to that page again. I'm pasting this code and I'm simply saving this. Once, okay, there is a syntax error. Okay, one semicolon is missing. So don't worry, guys. This is something that you will get it in the sheet directly or the blog directly. So no need to worry. So I'm just saving this. Okay, so this is saved and you just have to close this. Now, whenever the magic will start now. So the completed task as of now it is blank. So let's say task list mein I'm just changing the status of, let's say I completed this task and I'm changing this task as a completed. And now see the magic. So the line get removed from here and it is now placed here automatically. So no need to copy this line and paste it here whenever there are tasks you whenever there is a task you complete. So it will be always helpful when you have a full list of tasks. So whenever you are completed in between tasks as a completed, those will be copy pasted, cut pasted here. So now hopefully you like the video and I'll put this code in my blog. I'm making the blog also for you, so just go and you can see the blog and you can copy the code and just copy in the extension, copy paste in the extension, so you will get it directly. Thanks for watching. I'll come again with the next tricks where you can implement it by your own self.